Welcome to week 6 of the JJ Better For Me Challenge, brought to you by the Jamaican Proverbs Journal. And this week is Who Can Dance to the Music No Good? Who can dance to the music no good, which means when a person is unable to do or don't know how to do something, they cast the blame on others. And the activities for this week is asking you 3 times you blame someone wrongfully. You are going to reflect on how did this make you feel, and it's asking you, have you changed since then? What did the person do? What did you learn? What are you trying to change? And you're going to know to rank your blaming behavior. And this week you're going to be taking responsibility, and you're going to be stating why it's important, the strengths, your weaknesses, and then you're going to rate this challenge. And oftentimes we tend to try to put the blame on other people. We do it with our spouse, our parents, our employers, and taking our responsibility and accountability is really, really important. Join me next week for week 7.